John, tell me more about TrustFlight.
Yeah, so TrustFlight, essentially what we have at the heart of our business is safety and compliance management. So we offer a few different services with regards to software. The main of those being Centrik, our safety management and quality management platform. It also allows you to manage risk and have all three integrated together, which is a massive plus for lots of our customers. On the other side of it, more on the airworthiness, we also have an electronic tech log. So that allows people to understand at a high level their fleet serviceability. So as well as essentially doing your tech log in a digital platform, helping to just reduce errors, make it a lot faster, the ability to create defects within that and manage them all within the one solution. We find that a lot of maintenance and camo organizations appreciate that as well.
All right, and the idea of integrating with Louden, where that came from?
Yes, so it was happening a lot that we were speaking with customers initially around tech logs specifically. And a lot of them were already using Louden. And Louden served very well as a scheduling and planning software. So for your crew rostering and inputting your flight details. Now what they were finding is that when they would then do their tech log, they were duplicating a lot of information. So what we decided when we were talking with these customers was, well, it would be fantastic if we could join these two products together so that all the good work that you've already done within Louden, we can just duplicate into the tech log and it's ready and available there for the crew as and when they need.
So it transfers to speeding your process of work?
Absolutely. And it's that reduction in duplication. What we find is that people don't want to have to do the same thing 2, 3, 4 times. It becomes frustrating, and what you'll find is they stop doing it. And we want to make sure that that information is captured. So it just sped everything up for teams on both sides.
All right.